Hello, 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 everybody. Hello, hello, hello. This is Jackie Price back with another quick video. Yes, 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 yes. I am back with another quick video to tell you about done for you credit. Yes, I'm here to show you how you can get your credit done for you, repaired, restored, whatever you need, no matter how bad it is, even no matter how good it is, you can still go higher and higher and higher with this amazing company, MWR Financial. So here we are on my Facebook page. I am a full-time entrepreneur. I work from home, and it has been an amazing journey. The freedom that comes from working from home, being able to set your own schedule, not having to worry about office politics, you know what I'm saying, is so amazing. And I want to tell you today how um, you can get your credit restored by the experts at MWR Financial, and they will do it for you. So we're on my Facebook page, and I just want to make sure that you see that. I want you to connect with me on Facebook. Yes, yes, yes. I want you also to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, yes, yes. I want you also to drop a comment down below, and the link to get your credit fix will be down below as well. No matter what score you have, if you want to go higher, the experts can take you higher to get you into the 800 club. Yes, we have people on our team who are getting their credit restored. We have customers who are getting their credit restored. I mean, a whole group of people who are actually using the services and getting their credit restored. Done for you credit repair. How cool is that? You don't have to send off any letters. You don't have to talk to anybody. You just let the experts do the work for you. So let's see if we can go over to MWR Financial. So yes, and so today we're going to talk about the credit max. Yes, credit max. That's what we're talking about today. So the way you're going to get started is you're going to enroll with the link that's down below, and then you're going to order your credit reports from Smart Credit. You're going to upload them into the back office. There's a portal back there. You're going to upload them into the back office, and then the experts are going to take everything from there. And you have unlimited access with the experts. You can call them, you can email them, you can, whatever you need to do to make sure that your credit is being worked on, you have access to them. And it's absolutely amazing. The services are absolutely amazing. As a matter of fact, just yesterday, my scores went up. Woo! Put a comment down below and say you're happy for me that my scores went up, because my scores went up yesterday, and that allowed me to buy a brand new car today. I am super duper excited for what God is doing in my life, and I just want to share with you, if you are in a situation where you've made some mistakes with your credit, you've gotten into some things, you bought some things, you tried to pay for some stuff, and it just didn't work out. Life happened, and your credit is low, their scores are low, but you want them restored. The MWR Financial Edge membership is what you need. Yes, it is $79.97 monthly. And get this, there is absolutely amazing discount because your spouse can get it for free. So both of you guys can get this membership and have your credit restored. And it's absolutely amazing. It's the most easiest thing to do. Do not suffer with bad credit. Do not suffer with student loans. Do not suffer with repos on your credit. Do not suffer with bad loans on your credit that you weren't able to pay for. You don't have to suffer anymore, because MWR Financial, the Edge membership, is what you need. So let's just look at the website a little bit. Credit, if you need credit restoration, credit building, credit counseling, all these things are here to help you get your credit restored. The experts are going to do it for you. So this is a Credit Max upload center. So this is where you're going to upload your credit reports once you order them from Smart Credit. And Smart Credit is back here in the back office. I think you can get it for like $14.95. You can get all 3 reports in one place and upload all 3 of them into the MWR financial credit portal. And then the experts, man, they will be on your case no matter how bad your credit is, no matter how good it is. If you can get your score as high as you can get it, you save money on interest when you're buying things and stuff like that. And so I'm just going to give you just a tip. While the experts are utilizing and working on your credit, you don't want to stop buying stuff. Do not just stop buying stuff. And what you want to do is start paying down your debt. Okay? And so that's going to help them be able to do their job faster. And I know that you will be very surprised. And whatever it is that you're trying to buy, if you're trying to buy a new home, if you're trying to buy a brand new car, or you're not trying to do anything, whatever it is that you're trying to do, the experts can help you do it by getting your credit restored. This is an absolute amazing membership done for you credit. Yes, yes, yes. Take advantage of it, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the little bell so you will not miss any of my amazing videos. Be sure to check out the link below and sign up to get your credit restored. And I'm just super excited because I was able to get a new car today. Whoop whoop whoop. I'm super excited because my score has went up, and I'm so grateful for the MWR Financial Edge membership, the done for you credit. I didn't have to send off any letters. I didn't have to do any of that stuff. I was able to get my credit restored. I was able to get a new vehicle, and I am super duper excited about that. I'm super duper excited about that. And I wanted to share this with you, what I used to get my scores up. Yes. And so that's the conclusion of my video, you guys. Be sure to connect with me on Facebook. I'm going to put my number down below. Send me a text message saying you want this membership. The link will be there that you can join up and sign up. Remember, your spouse is free. So that's the special. Your spouse is free. Okay? So both of you guys can get your credit restored with this one membership. If you have any questions or anything, reach out to me. I'm here. Text me. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you want to do. Let me know what your goals are. Let me know about the house you want to buy. Let me know about the brand new car you want to get. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Okay? Again, I want to thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking and commenting on my video. I appreciate you guys so much. And this has been Jackie Price, and I will see you on the next video.